how are you? Today I am going to tell a story named Little Red Hen. This is a story named Little Red Hen. There was a little red hen. She was living in a farmyard. She had 3 friends, a duck, a cat and a dog. They all were living together. One day, the little red hen searching in a farmyard where she found a grain of wheat. Who will plant the wheat? She asked her friends. Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. Very well then, said the little red hen, I will. So she planted the grain of wheat. After some time, the wheat grew tall and ripe. Who will cut the wheat? Asked the little red hen. Not I, said all the 3 of them. Very well then, I will, said the little red hen. So she cut the wheat. Now, she said, who will thresh the wheat? Not I, they said again. Very well then, I will, said the little red hen. So she threshed the wheat. When the wheat was threshed, she said, who will take the wheat to the mill to have it ground into flour? Again, no one said yes. So she took the wheat into the mill. When the wheat was ground into flour, she said, who will make this flour into bread? Not I, they said again. Very well then, I will, said the little red hen, and she baked a lovely loaf of bread. Who will eat the bread? She asked her friends. Oh, I will, said the duck. Oh, I will, said the cat. Oh, I will, said the dog. Oh no, you won't, said the little red hen. I will. She called her chicks and shared the bread with them. Hi kids, how was the story? I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.